got fake people.
Yes, today my birthday. Yes, January the 4th, my birthday. I'm just week. I don't really have nothing planned for my birthday. I wanted to go to paintballing, but that is probably Saturday or Sunday. Probably later a girl might call me and say, yo, I could touch the road, you know? Maybe I can tell. So, as I said, I try out that vlog thing. I'm going to try it for a couple of weeks, and if it go good, I'm going to continue. Stay tuned. Yeah. Today my birthday. I just want to give God thanks, and for everybody who ever see that vlog, yeah, and who did tell me happy birthday after I see that video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You understand? Yeah, man, I get older, you know. Right now, I'm going to play some COD. See, some Call of Duty. See what I say? I'll kick off my birthday the right way. Xbox, see what I say? You don't know the thing. Sorry, so I don't see the video them so often, and sorry, so I'm not be so consistent, you know, because you know, hard to find inspiration more while, is what I say, and it's not easy to create a video. You don't know, I have my own style and my own originality. I'm gonna follow people, you see, so just bear with me. Probably got link Shane, you see. Some girl.
Some girl, you're this. Hey, come for flower, you know, dog.
What?
Come for flower. Why you be here? No one has no flower here. Where everybody, you know. Everybody have you up. All your man them put you up.
Why? On a taxi, is it? The original chicken sandwich.
That's 1,005.
People showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me.
You're free? Hey, foodie.
Come for breakfast?
Come for. Now come for now. So reach back home. Stuff. You see me? You know. Breakfast there. Get up. Sleeping Beauty, get up. Sean, big up yourself, Sean. Laxative, laxative, whatever the one call it. I plan for prank Shane and Rick, especially Rick love him belly, you know. See, I like now, what I call Rick, cut piece of burger and throw some in it. I'm nothing belly. Oh, burger tastes good. So yeah, I'm just there chill. Right now I'm there answer everybody who tell me happy birthday. Again, thanks to everyone who wish me a happy birthday. I appreciate it so much. I love the whole of you. Just continue support me. Say the master. Eh?
Okay,
Eric says so.
and me says so. See, orange juice, free orange juice from base.
You don't know what I mean in KyngTaj.
Woman, King Rick woman. Birthday boy, I drink him free orange juice.
Not the famous I represent for the album, you see me I say? Yeah man, and they even know that. Oh yo,
How that? How that?
We can have sex?
big of KyngTaj for his birthday, you see? Oh yo.
Yeah.
Touch all about give me in front of my face.
Nah, give
front of my face.
But nah, give about.
You know what is sex?
Sex is gender, me know shut up, bro.
Brother, my phone, brother.
Feel that chattings. Hey, game.
Brother. My
Yo, you feel that chattings. You feel that chattings. You feel that chattings.
That's right there. People, with them phone. The phone.
And the dog phone.
Right there.
I use. I didn't know that. Yo, what is touch me, dog?
Watch out, look for me. Look for me.
He fall.
KyngTaj.
Got the one KyngTaj.
Yeah, man, I don't know say KyngTaj, you know. Today my birthday.
You can never have nothing if you don't work hard. Can't achieve nothing if you don't work hard.
Hard work, you know.
Now make no money if you don't work hard.
Oh, yeah.
Cha, hustler baby, you know that I may. Fuck some real star girl like Gwen Stefani. Artists across through the world prefer me. Pay for them song, them play mine, them play for free. Pussy them a say me so flat, but I like that. World a drive and
and Jordan, oh God, Jordan, I rock the world.
some fake flag. Some fake flag.